Hi guys, welcome to this new series of mine. It's called Cooking with D. So in this series, I'm gonna be cooking a bunch of different cultural foods, from Turkish food, Indian food, Nigerian food, Mexican food, Asian food, any type of culture that y'all wanna see me try cooking, comment it down below. But yeah, today we're gonna be cooking some Turkish food. I've seen this meal go viral on TikTok many times, and I've been wanting to try Turkish food for a long time. Y'all, I've been learning how to cook. So y'all gonna learn how to cook with me? So yeah, let's get into making this Turkish pasta. And look at my mom's kitchen. So I'm gonna be showing y'all all the ingredients that you need for this Turkish pasta. I'm following a recipe on TikTok because I am no chef, but I'm pretending to be. I'm being Delulu. But anyways, I followed this recipe. I'll link it down below if you guys wanna go follow that, or if you wanna stay tuned for how I make it. Yeah. So first thing you'll need is some beef. Then you need some whole milk yogurt. I've seen a lot of people debate whether to get like whole milk or Greek yogurt. A lot of people were like saying that the Greek yogurt makes it too sour, so I went with the safe bet and got whole milk. Then I got some bow tie pasta. I got some tomato paste. Then I got some cilantro. This will be topped on the plate when it's fully done. What are these called? They're like little tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. I don't know what they're called. I ain't a chef, so I'm not gonna act like it. I got some little tomatoes. That's what we're gonna call them. I got some little tomatoes. Then I got some white onions. And that is literally the only ingredients that you need. Okay, so now we're gonna be cutting up our onion. I don't know how to dice an onion. Ew. Okay, we're not using that one. That's disgusting. Is that normal? I don't think that is. That looks disgusting. No, I'm not using that. No way. I don't know if anybody else is like this, but like I just started learning how to cook, so I don't like, I think it's my OCD, honestly. I don't like my food or my vegetables looking a certain way, or I will not eat it. Like I have a hard time, especially with chicken. Chicken is, Chicken, I be washing my hands like 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 times. It's not even funny. Basically in this cooking series, I wanted to show you guys different cultural foods. And I'm gonna be picking which ones that I want to cook because like I said, I'm a beginner at learning how to cook. But I've actually been doing really good, so I don't even know if I wanna call myself that. So, if you guys have any recommendations from any culture that you guys want me to try, or you want me to try cooking, comment them down below. I'll try it. Okay, so this is the pot that I'm gonna be using to cook the beef. Isn't she cute? Look at the details, the wood, the black, so sleek, so aesthetic, isn't it? So aesthetic. This house is too damn big. I gotta walk 10,000 steps just to get to my room, to get all the shit I need. Y'all better watch this to the end, I'm telling you. I ain't doing all this shit just to you, just, whoa. So we're gonna go in with some olive oil, and then we're gonna put the meat in there. Come out. Get in there. Oh shit. There you go. Get up in there. Garlic powder, onion powder, some black pepper. I'm gonna add some pepper flakes. I'm not gonna be generous with it. I almost forgot, I'm gonna add Lori's seasoning. I came up with this seasoning on my own, just letting y'all know. I'm her. I almost forgot to add this onion. So let's put it in there. You guys are distracting me, Pookie. Now we're gonna add a generous amount of minced garlic onto the meat. Once the meat is fully cooked, we're gonna add some tomato paste. So now I'm gonna be adding some tomato paste. I'm gonna be cutting up these cherry tomatoes. Do our pasta, and I'm gonna put it to boil right now. So now that the water is boiling, we're gonna be adding our bow tie pasta. this is the most important part. So we're gonna be making the yogurt now. Now, very important, get the whole milk yogurt, not the Greek, is what I've been told. Okay, so I saw the girl get 3 tablespoons of the yogurt. 1, 2, Lord, 3. Okay. She added minced garlic. Now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of water. I already added the minced garlic. I checked to see how much she put. I put as much as she did. I eyeballed it. So hopefully it's enough, but if y'all think that I needed more, let me know. Okay, so it's like a droopy consistency. It's not as thick. It's like watered down. Okay. Honestly, I don't know how I feel about yogurt on food, but Turkish people love their yogurt, and I really want to see what they talking about, because I don't want to prejudge something. I think it's always important to try things before judging them, because what may be nasty to us may be amazing to somebody else, so I want to try it. I feel like I'm gonna like it. Okay, so the noodles are boiling. They should be done in like 10 minutes. Now this is what the beef is looking like. It smells so good, y'all. I wish y'all could smell it. Honestly, I'm excited. So now we're gonna be making the butter sauce. Now she said this is completely optional, but I wanna go full on Turkish mode, okay? I wanna try it in its complete form. Now I'm gonna be adding the butter. A little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna let that melt. So the butter is melting, and she said to add some paprika. We're gonna let that mix. This is the butter sauce. She said it was optional, but I wanna get the full experience. All right, so now that all the food is done, I'm going to begin serving. Starting off with the bow tie pasta. So we're gonna add the yogurt. Now I'm gonna add the cilantro in. Time to add the tomatoes. This looks so good, y'all. What the? Okay, and now the food is done. I'm ready to try it. I'm actually so nervous, especially because of the yogurt. Okay, let me try it. Holy shit, that's spicy. Okay. Yeah. I see what the hype's about. Hold on. Yogurt? I see what the hype's about. Whoa. Oh, wow. This is amazing. Honestly. Who would have thought? Yogurt? Honestly, yeah. I give this dish a 10 out of 10. I never thought that I would like yogurt on any meal, but what the heck? That is not what I expected. Y'all got it.